parts. Part 1 power generation, Part 2 power transmission and distribution, Part 3 power system protection. Okay. In Part 1 power generation, how to generate the power, different types of power plants, different types of sources, renewable energy sources, non-renewable energy sources. Okay. Renewable energy sources, non-renewable energy sources. What are the examples of renewable energy sources? Thermal power plant, hydro power plant, nuclear power plant, gas power plant. These are all renewable energy sources. What are they? Solar power plant, wind power plant, gas power plant. Wind, ocean power plant. These are the examples of non-renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources is also called RES, renewable energy sources. So in Part 1, power generation. Different types of sources, power plant. These are all covered in Part 1. Part 2, power transmission and distribution. In Part 2, power transmission. How to transfer the power? There are two types of sources: overhead transmission and underground transmission. Underground transmission system, overhead transmission system. So due to underground system, cables are used. Underground cables. Due to cables, insulation difficulties, problems, underground system is limited to 66 kV only. Underground system, cables, insulation cables, except their difficult insulation failure. Insulation failure, it is limited to 66 kV only. But our voltages are very high. 132 kV, 220 kV, 400 kV. Nowadays 765 kV AC. So higher voltages are required. Underground system limited to 66 kV. Then we are going to overhead transmission system. We are going to overhead transmission system for power transmission. In overhead transmission system, transmission covers transmission lines, different types of transmission lines, short transmission line, medium transmission line, long transmission line, overhead tower, transmission line, conductor, insulator. This part, total part covered in power transmission and distribution. Third part is power system protection. So there is a huge amount. There is a huge amount for power plant, towers, transmission line. We are invested thousands of crores. So proper protection is needed. So power system protection. Each and every component, from bigger components to lower components. Transformers, motors, generators, even the fans, lights, every component proper protection is needed. So that is total covered in the power system protection. So whole power system is categorized into three parts: power generation part, power transmission and distribution part, power system protection part. But today topic is distribution system. What is distribution system? Distribute the power. Distribution system is a part of power system. The electrical power which is used for local use, it is called distribution system. Distribute the power. Distribution system, it is a part of power system which distribute electrical power for local use. It is called distribution system. Distribution systems consist of three parts. One is feeder, distributor, servicemen. Distribution system is nothing but which distribute the electrical power for local use. It is called distribution system. Distribution system are consist of three parts: feeders, distributors, servicemen. What is feeder? Generally, what is feeder? Feeder is a conductor. Transmission line, tower. You have to see every day. Feeder is nothing but a conductor. Difference of feeder, distributor, servicemen is that. What is feeder means? It is a conductor. It is connected from substation to area, the power which is distributed. Okay, no? One substation is there. From substation to one area, one village or one state. Okay, no? So from main substation to area. Okay, no? It is a conductor. Feeder is a conductor. Feeder is a conductor which connects substation to the area where the power is distributed. It is called feeder. Okay, no? Substation to one village. The main line. It is a main line. 33 kV line. It is called feeder. Okay, no? Substation to one village, one area. It is a conductor which connects the substation. Okay, no? Where the power is distributed. It is a main line. No tappings are taken from the feeder. No connections. It is a main line. 33 kV line from substation to village. It is a main line. No connection. No tappings are taken. So current throughout the feeder is remaining same. No connections. No tappings. Okay, no? Current remaining same in the feeder. So while designing the feeder, the main consideration is current carrying capacity. While designing the feeder, the main consideration is current carrying capacity. Feeder is nothing but a conductor. It is connected substation to the area where the power is distributed. It is a main line. No connection, no tappings are taken. The remaining throughout the line current is same. Current carrying capacity is the main consideration. That is called feeder. So everything is connected. Difference, what is feeder, what is distributor, what is service. Everything is connected. Difference is this. Okay? Feeder from substation to area. Okay? Feeder from main substation to where the area, village. That line is called feeder. No tappings are taken. Current is remaining same. Is called feeder. Distributor. Distributor is also conductor. Distributor also conductor. What is feeder? From substation to the area where power is distributed. From village. From the village, one transformer is there. From the village, different street. Different in a village, different street are there. Okay. So substation to the area. One village is coming to the 33 kV line. That 33 kV line is distributed to different street. Is called distributor. Okay. From main substation to the area, the main line is called feeder. It is also conductor. From area to different states, distribute the conductor. It is called distributor. Distributor is a conductor. It distributes various states, gullies, it is called distributor. So in the distributors, there are different types of consumers. There are connections taken. There are tappings are taken. In feeder, no tappings, no connections are taken. In feeder, tappings, connections are taken. Once the connection is taken, there is a voltage drop. There is a loss. There is a voltage drop. So distributor is also a conductor. It is called from area to various streets in a village. The conductor is distributed to different streets. Is called distributor. Here tappings are taken. Current is not remaining same. Once the tapping is taken, voltage start taking place, there is a loss. Current is not same in the line. Okay? In a feeder, it is a main line. No tappings are taken. Current throughout the line same. From substation to area, it is a main line. No connection taken. Current is remaining same. There is no voltage drop. But distributor is from area to different streets in the village. It distributes to various consumer houses. So connection, service wire connection is taken. Once the connecting wire is taken, there is a drop, voltage drop. Current is not remaining same. Here current is not remaining same. Okay. While designing a distributor, the main consideration is voltage drop. Okay. Voltage drop is the main consideration for designing of distributor. Here feeder, current carrying capacity is the main consideration. While designing a feeder, current carrying capacitor is the main consideration. While designing a distributor, voltage drop is the main consideration. Coming to serviceman. What is serviceman? Serviceman is nothing but service wires. Service wires. Okay. You can assume in our village how the power lines are connected. Okay. From substation to one line is coming. That main line is called feeder. From our village, it is starting one transformer is there. From transformer to various street gullies, it can distribute. That that is called distributor. What is service main? Service main is nothing but a service wire. Okay na? In each gully one transmission line is connected. Okay na? In each house service wire is connected. Okay na? Service wire or service main is nothing but a cable. It is a cable. It is connected from tower to house. It is called service main. So these three are conductors. But difference is there. Okay na? Feeder also conductor, distributor also conductor, service main also conductor. There is a difference in there. This is the main line. Feeder is the main line, substation to the area. No connections are taken. There is current is remaining same. There is no voltage drop. So that is called feeder. Distributor also conductor, but it distributes the power. Once the distribution taking place, there is a drop, there is a voltage drop, current is not same. So voltage drop, distributor also conductor, but difference is there. These three are conductors, there is a difference is there. Feeder is a main line, no tapping, current remaining same. So while measuring the feeder, current carrying capacity is the main consideration. Distributor is also conductor, but it distributes the power to various streets. Okay. Here tappings are taken, voltage drop taking place, current is not same. Throughout the distributor. Service main is nothing but service cable. Service cable from tower to each house. One wire is connected, that is called service wire. Service wire or cable. It is also conductor. Okay. So distribution system are classified into three categories: feeders, distributor, and service. Distribution system classified as distribution system classification. These are classified according to nature of current, according to type of construction, according to scheme of connection,